on her way to feed Baby Pony! She needs to eat her pink pirate papaya so she can find her buried treasure. Oh, don't cry, Baby Pony. You'll find your lost toy soon. I'm sure of it. We know what will help you find that toy. Some pink pirate papaya. Yeah! Pirates are experts at finding hidden treasures. This is exactly what you need. Oh, for hay's sake, the pirate papaya has lost its pink color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony need your help to find the pirate papaya's pink color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color pink? No, that's blue. We'll need to try a new color. What about this one? Is this the color pink? No, that's green. Let's try one more time. Great goose feathers! That's it! You found the pirate papaya's missing pink color.
Now that you've had some pink pirate papaya, think you can find your buried treasure? Mia and I are on our way to feed Baby Pig. Come with us. We're bringing him some stylish red sushi rolls so he can have a whole lot of fashion fun playing dress up. Oh, looking good, Baby Pig. Aw, you look great all the time, Baby Pig. But maybe a bite of stylish red sushi rolls will help you come up with some fabulous costume ideas. Rooster feathers! The sushi roll lost its red color! Oh, don't worry, Baby Pig. We'll get that red color back. We just need some help.
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing red color? Great! Let's try this color first. Is this the color red? No, that's yellow. We need to pick again. Is the sushi roll red now? No, we turned it purple, not red. We'll need to try again. What about this color? Hoppin' hay bale! You got it! You found the stylish sushi roll's missing red color.
Now Baby Pig will have so many costume ideas! Wait! Hi, friend! You are just in time to help us feed Baby Pony! She needs her orange super sweet potatoes so she can be as stupendous as a superhero! Look how high you stacked those blocks, Baby Pony! Aw, don't cry, Baby Pony! We can fix your block tower! Yay! And once you have some orange super sweet potatoes, you'll be able to keep that block tower safe from anything, just like a superhero! Yay! Oh, tractors! The super sweet potato's orange color is gone!
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing orange color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color orange? No, that's not orange. That's blue. We need to pick again. What about this color? Is this the color orange? No, that's red. We're looking for orange. What about this color? Hoppin' honeybees, you did it! You found the super sweet potato's missing orange color.
you've had some orange super sweet potatoes, you'll be able to save that tower from anything. Yay!
Come on, let's go feed Baby Pig.
He needs some red sailing salsa so he can go on a pirate adventure.
Hey there, Baby Pig. Looks like you're almost ready to sail the high seas. Arr.
Now you just need some red sailing salsa to send you on your way. Oh, well, avast me hearties. The sailing salsa has lost its red color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig need your help to find the missing red color. Is this the color red? No, that's yellow. Let's pick again. Is the salsa red now? No, that's green. What about this color? Shiver me timbers! You did it! You found the sailing salsa's missing red color.
Now that you've had your red sailing salsa, are you ready to hit the high seas, Baby Pig? It's time to feed our friend Baby Goat. Let's go. She needs her green super spinning salsa to help her land her awesome spinning ballet move.
That was a great try, Baby Goat. You'll land that amazing spin soon. I know it.
And guess what we brought to help? Your green super spinning salsa. It'll help you do the best spin you ever spun.
Muffin hay bales! The super spinning salsa is missing its green color!
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the super spinning salsa's green color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color green? No, that's red. We need to try a different color. What about this one? Is this the color green? Looks like we picked blue. Let's try to find green one more time. Twirlerific! That's it! You found the super spinning salsa's missing green color.
Now that you've had some green super spinning salsa, you can spin and spin without knocking down your castle. It's time to bring Baby Goat something tasty.
Baby Goat needs her snowy, sweet green apple treat so she can have the best snow day ever.
Oh, Baby Goat. It's a little too warm to go snowboarding, huh?
Well, then it's a good thing we brought you a snowy, sweet green apple treat. It's so frosty cold, it'll make you feel like it's a snowy winter's day.
Golly gee chillikers! The snowy sweet apple treat is missing its green color!
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the snowy sweet apple treat's missing green color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color green? No, that's pink. We need to try a different color. What about this one? Is this the color green? Looks like we picked purple. Let's try one more time. Farmtastic! That's it! You found the snowy sweet apple treat's missing green color.
Nice and icy. Feeling chilly, baby goat? We're on our way to feed baby goat. Let's go! Baby goat needs some deep blue sea blueberries so she can go on a stupendous submarine adventure! Well, hey there, baby goat! Looks like you're ready to explore under the sea with your toy submarine!
All you need now is a bite of deep blue sea blueberries. Oh, racing rodeos! The deep blue sea blueberries have lost their blue color!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and baby goat find the missing blue color? Great! Let's try this color first. Is this the color blue? No, that's pink. We need to pick again. Are the blueberries blue now? No, now they're yellow. What about this color? Chirpin' chickens, you did it! You found the deep blue sea blueberries missing blue color.
Now you're ready to explore the sea and search for sunken treasure in your submarine. To feed our friend, Baby Pig. He needs a yellow out-of-this-world omelette so he can finish building his rocket ship to the moon. Where could our Baby Pig be?
Looks like your rocket is almost ready to blast off. All you need now is one yellow out-of-this-world omelette!
Oh, chirpin' chicks! The out-of-this-world omelet has lost its yellow color!
Looks like we need to help our barnyard buddies. Can you find the missing yellow color? Is this the color yellow? No, that's not yellow. That's green. How about this color? Did we find yellow? No, that's red. But what about this color? Is this yellow? You got it, partner. You found the out-of-this-world omelet's missing yellow color.
All systems go, Baby Pig.
Get ready to blast off!
Hey, you! We're just about to go feed Baby Goat.
She needs to eat her goofy green guacamole so she can make us laugh and laugh. Come with us!
Oh, Baby Goat, are you already being a little silly?
Ready for your goofy green guacamole? Then you can think of all kinds of ways to make us laugh.
Here you go. Oh, goodness gracious. The green color is gone.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the goofy guacamole's missing green color. Is this the color green? No, that's red. Let's try another one. What about this color? Is this green? Not quite. That's orange. We need to keep searching. What about this color? Genius, gang! You got it! You found the Goofy Guacamole's green color.
Baby Goat is finally ready to be the silliest baby on the farm. We're on our way to feed Baby Goat.
She needs to eat some roaring red raspberries so she can roar like a real lion. Who's this ferocious lion? Are you playing pretend, Baby Goat?
Big lions have big roars. Let's hear your biggest lion roar.
That was a really good try, Baby Goat. But maybe you should eat some roaring red raspberries.
Then you'll be able to do the biggest roar ever.
Rooster feathers! The roaring raspberries have lost their red color!
We've got to find the roaring raspberry's missing red color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color red? No, that's brown. How about we try a new color? What about this one? Is this the color red? No, that's yellow. Let's try another color. What about this one? Yeehaw! You did it! You found the roaring raspberry's missing red color.
Mia, where did our baby goat go?
Huh, I don't know, Milo. All I see here is one big, brave lion.
Howdy, partner. Wanna come help us feed Baby Pig? Baby Pig needs his purple power cauliflower, so he has the power to skate anywhere. Oh no! Baby Pig, are you stuck in the mud?
Don't worry, Baby Pig. You just need some purple power cauliflower to help you get unstuck.
Oh, chicken feathers. The power cauliflower is missing its purple color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig need your help to find the purple power cauliflower's missing color. Let's try this color. Is this the color purple? No, that's blue. Let's try a different color. What about this one? Is this the color purple? No, that's not purple. That's orange. Let's pick again. Yeehaw! That's it. You found the power cauliflower's missing purple color.
Pull, Baby Pig! Use your purple cauliflower power! Let's feed our friend, Baby Pony!
We're gonna bring her frozen green farm apples. They're just what she needs to do her tractor-rific ice skating tricks. Hey there, Baby Pony.
It's a little too warm out to go ice skating, huh?
Not to worry, Baby Pony. These frozen green farm apples are so cold, you're gonna feel like you're skating on the North Pole. Oh, rooster feathers! The frozen farm apple's green color has disappeared!
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing green color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color green? No, that's pink. We need to pick again. Does this look like the color green? No, that's purple. Let's try one more time. Is this the color green? Chirp and chickens, you got it. You found the frozen farm apple's green color.
Hooray! Now Baby Pony can finally practice her ice skating.
Howdy, partner. Wanna come help us feed Baby Pig?
He needs his red, windy watermelon so he can catch the breeze with his kite.
Hiya, Baby Pig. Oh, are you having trouble with your kite?
Well, we have just the thing to help. Some red, windy watermelon.
One bite of this, and you'll be able to fly that kite all through the sky.
Ta-da!
Oh, tractors! The red windy watermelon has lost its red color!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the windy watermelon's missing red color? Great! Let's try this color first. Is this the color red? I don't think so. That's purple. But what about this color? Did we pick the color red? No, that's orange. We'll have to try again. What about this color? Great goose feathers! You got it! You found the windy watermelon's missing red color.
Now that you've had a bite of red, windy watermelon, you'll be able to fly your kite high in the sky.
Oh, hey there! We were just about to head over yonder to feed Baby Pony.
She needs some peppy purple plums so she'll have the energy to race around on her roller skates. Come with us! Hey! Aw, sweet potato. Are you still sleepy?
We have just the thing to wake you up. Want some peppy purple plums? Oh, leaping lassos! The peppy plum's purple color is gone!
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the Peppy Plum's missing purple color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color purple? No, that color is green, not purple. What about this one? Is this the color purple? No, that's red. We're looking for purple. Let's try again. Is this the color purple? Great goose feathers, that's it! You found the Peppy Plum's purple color.
Whoa, does that taste good, Baby Pony?
Now you're full of pep and ready to roll!
Mia and I need your help. It's time for us to feed Baby Pig. He needs to eat his bouncy blue blueberry pop so he can land his awesome basketball trick shot. Hey there, Baby Pig. Were you trying to bounce your basketball through that hoop? Well, then we have just the thing for you.
A bouncy blue blueberry pop! This will help you hit that trick shot in no time!
Hoppin' hay bales! The bouncy blueberry pop is missing its blue color!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing blue color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color blue? No, that's orange. We should try a different color. Is this the right color? Not quite. That's red. We're looking for blue. Let's try one more time. Bounce-tacular! That's right! You found the bouncy blueberry pops missing blue color.
Now that you've had your bouncy blue blueberry pop, you're ready to give your trick shot another try. It's time to feed baby Pony. Come with us. She needs to eat her red hide-and-seek strawberries so she can find her favorite flower.
Well, sweet baby pony, you're still looking for your missing flower, huh?
Well, we have just the thing to help you find it.
Some red hide-and-seek strawberries!
Twisted tractors! The hide-and-seek strawberries are missing their red color!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and baby Pony find the missing red color? Very awesome! Let's try this color. Is this the color red? No, that's yellow. Let's try a different color. Did we turn the strawberries red? Not quite right. That's purple. Let's try one more time. Fruit-tacular! You did it! You found the hide-and-seek strawberries missing red color.
Now that you've had some red hide-and-seek strawberries, do you think you can find your favorite flower? It's time to feed our friend, Baby Goat. She needs her yellow climbing corn cobs so she can climb to the tippy top of the tallest mountain.
Hiya, sweet baby! How'd your haystack get stacked like that?
That's way too high for a baby to climb, unless she eats some yellow climbing corn cobs first. Here you go.
Oh, yikes! The climbing corn cobs have lost their yellow color!
Mia, Milo, and baby Goat need your help to find the climbing corn cob's missing yellow color. Is this the color yellow? No, that's not yellow. That's orange. Let's try again. Is this the color yellow? No, that's purple. Maybe we could try this color. Yippee! You got it! You found the climbing corn cob's missing yellow color.
Now that you've had some yellow climbing corn cobs, you're ready to climb to the top of the world! Go, baby, go, go! Howdy, I'm Milo.
And I'm Mia! Time to feed Baby Pig his jammin' orange carrot cake so he can play a fantastic farm song. Aw, it's okay, itty-bitty Baby Pig. Don't cry.
Is somebody hungry? Does somebody want his jammin' orange carrot cake?
Sweet patty cakes! The jammin' orange carrot cake lost its orange color!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and baby Pig find the missing orange color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color orange? No, that's purple. Here's another color. Is this orange? That's blue. We'll need to try again. What about this color? Well, bless my barn. You got it. You found the jam and carrot cake's orange color.
Now Baby Pig can play his fantastic farm song.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s Blues Clues and You YouTube channel for new Barnyard Daycare videos every week. And find more of your favorite shows on Nickelodeon.